Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and today for Mastering Your Body, the tip is about knowing, is it other people's stuff, or is it yours, or is it your clients'? But other people's stuff is a real thing in there. Depending on your level of empathy, it can be a serious problem. The more empathic a person is, the more they're open to the world energy, they're going to be feeling what's going on with others. With the school shooting tragedy here, a lot of sadness, and it's possible to pick that up. I did have a client once who every afternoon at work got a headache. And in working with her, I think twice, 2 or 3 times using acupuncture, there was no change. And researching a little bit further, discovered that the headache actually belonged to her neighbor at work, the guy at the next desk, who got a headache every afternoon following lunch. My client was empathic, so she was picking up his energy and getting a headache, which all the treatment in the world wasn't going to solve because it wasn't hers. Rather than trying to work on the guy, what we did was worked on the client's empathy level to bring it down, and also to make her aware of what was happening, that she could wear a hat or do some other method to learn to let the energy pass through her instead of letting it hold on. So other people's stuff is a real thing, is important. When you're a healer, keep an open mind to the source of a problem that the person is presenting with, and be aware that we're all feeling the world energy right now, more and more because of the ascension. So it is an important thing to be aware of. So that is the tip for today. Whose is it? Who is it, other people's stuff or not? If you liked the video, please leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.